Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will demonstrate how to replace the chains on a chain tile remover head. You will need a 13mm socket or spanner and replacement chains, either 9 or 17 link, both available on our website. You can find a link for these in the description under the video. First, unscrew the nut on top while keeping a firm grip on the body. Then tip the chain out of the head by lifting the pieces holding the chain. You can now take these pieces off the thread. Now get your replacement chain and place the end link into the slot, as you can see here. When the two chain lengths are placed, you can put the part back onto the thread, lining up the pin with the hole on the main body. Repeat that step with the top half, and then hold the pieces onto the thread so the chain can't fall back out. You can now screw the nut back up using your socket or spanner, again keeping a firm grip on the body. We will now demonstrate how to do this with 17 link chain lengths, as the method is slightly different between the two sizes. Now we need to find the center link. You can do this by folding the chain in half and grabbing the middle. Then place this link into the slot. You can repeat this for all the lengths of chain. Now screw the nut back on with your socket or spanner. With that screwed on, you're all set. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any comments for any equipment tutorials you want to see next. We'll be posting more tutorials soon, so make sure not to miss it and turn on notifications for this channel. See you in the next one!